Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best muffin pan. So let's get started. Number 7. Wilton Recipe Right Muffin Pan. Wilton Muffin Pan is the next muffin pan I would recommend. It is versatile so you can bake even more pancakes, even different types with 12 cups. With Wilton Muffin Pan, you can make muffins and other types such as cookies, carrots, and pizzas. Wilton's muffin pan is made from steel. It has a non-stick surface that allows you to grab bread quickly and neatly. The handle is designed on this tool to make it easier to hold and keep it safe when you take it out or put it in the oven. The non-stick sticky layer of the Wilton muffin pan also helps you to clean more easily. It can place in the dishwasher for your convenience. Number 6. Keliwa's 12-cup silicone. Keliwa silicone muffin pan is an indispensable baking tool in your kitchen as it suits all your needs as well as the experts. In addition to using muffins, you can combine Keliwa silicone muffin pan with other recipes like baked oatmeal cups, cupcakes, and chicken pot pie cups. Unlike traditional metal pans, this muffin pan made from silicone, but it also has many highlights. It is more flexible and lighter than metal, so it will not scratch or distort or even fade. More specifically, it does not contain BPA, so it is safe for your food. Keliwa silicone muffin pan is non-stick, so it is easy for you to push it out. Your cake also cooked thanks to the heat distribution evenly. Number 5. USA Pan Crown Quick Release. USA Pan Bakeware Crown Muffin Pan has up to 12 wells, each of which is 2.75 x 1.63 x 1.53 inches, for oversized muffins. This pan is made from commercial steel and aluminized steel commercially manufactured in the US so that you can rest assured. The unique corrugated iron surfaces are designed to enhance nonstick properties and strengthen pans to prevent warping. With durable, reliable design and high performance, it provides an ideal heating distribution and increases airflow to create the perfect muffin. The USA Pan Muffin Pan has a silicone-free coating of PTFE, PFOA, and BPA. It provides a non-stick surface and helps to quickly release all baking and cleaning products with minimum ease. Number 4. Nordic Ware 12-cup natural aluminum. Nordic Ware is famous for its high-quality aluminum kitchen appliances. It is pure commercial aluminum, not coated with any other chemicals. Therefore, you absolutely can safely use it. Its shiny appearance will surely make you super heart. Aluminum also features outstanding heat conductivity. Therefore, Nordic Ware 12-cup aluminum muffin pan allows your cake to ripen faster than expected. Because made of original aluminum, this muffin pan will not rust and resist warping. However, you should wash it by hand. Nordic Ware muffin pan is in the list of the best products, so you certainly do not need to hesitate about its quality. Number 3. OXO Good Grips Nonstick Pro. OXO Good Grips Nonstick Pro Muffin Pan has a perfect combination of techniques and thoughtful accents to create the perfect baking tool. The product is made of durable, heavy aluminized steel made in the USA, promoting uniform heat distribution. This product is covered with a commercial coating and reinforced with ceramic to prevent scratches, fading, and corrosion. As a result, it allows for easier food release. The OXO baking pan can minimize surface contact and increase airflow for square-baked edges for extra strength. Besides, it provides a secure grip for easy transfer to and from the furnace. OXO Muffin Pan is an ideal choice for both savory and sweet dishes, especially perfect for muffins, cupcakes, and waffles. With a rugged design, this product is safe for dishwashers. Number 2. Fox Run 12 Cup Stainless Steel. Fox Run 12 Cup Muffin Pan is beautifully constructed of stainless steel, creating a rust-proof, stain-resistant, and scratch-resistant surface. At the same time, the product does not warp or corrode, but rather it retains an elegant gloss over time. This muffin pan can withstand extreme temperatures and vigorous rubbing, so it still works safely if the surface is scratched. With the Fox Fun Baking Pan, you don't have to worry about Teflon or non-stick layers that release toxic fumes into the air or chips into your food. This product is perfect for your muffins or muffins because it produces even brown muffins thanks to its uniform heat transfer. If you forget to line the paper for a cupcake, this pan still works well and creates a perfect cake surface. Besides, it is safe for ovens and dishwashers. Number 1. Wilton 12 Cup Premium. If you like a hot, delicious muffin in the morning, this 12-cup non-stick Wilton muffin pan will make it easier. You can use it for baking 12 muffins or scones at once. This pan makes the steel, and the durable non-stick surface makes it easy to release food and clean faster. The size of Wilton Muffin Pan 12 cups is consistent with the size of a standard oven, with each cavity size being 2x 1.25 inches. Also, the Wilton Muffin Pan has an oversized handle, allowing you to hold it comfortably. Thus, putting the cake in and taking it out of the oven faster. Not only that, but the product is also safe with the dishwasher, so you will save more time in cleaning it.